Hi, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Stefano. I and my friends, we are from Austria, Salzburg, and we enjoy 3 nice days here in the Prosecco Street. And we are here for cycling, for Dolce Vita, good eating, and the highlight is meet Giro d'Italia.
Is it your first time in Pieve di Soligo and what about this city?
We are the second time here, and we came 2 years ago, the first time here. And the landscape and the people and the food in Italia and Dolce Vita is perfect. And we come almost as often as we can.
Do you want to say something to our readers of the qdpnews.it?
Sorry, I didn't get the question. Can you repeat it?
Do you want to say something to our readers of our newspapers?
Yes. Enjoy life. We try to do the same in Austria, but Dolce Vita, and I think the Italians are the role models for enjoy the life, and it's perfect to do it here.